Get ready for the newest flex pen from Noodlers, the Triple Tail. It features a brand new body resin, a cotton butyrate mix that gives it an even clearer look than Noodler's other models. You can practically see the ink flowing through it. And check out this nib. It's a triple-tined No. 6 flex steel nib that's smooth as butter. It lays down a generous amount of ink with gorgeous line variation. Filling this pen is a breeze. Just dip the nib and feed into your ink bottle, give the filler rod a pull, and you're ready to write. Plus, the entire pen can be disassembled and reassembled by hand, so you can really get in there and tinker to your heart's content. Of course, every great pen deserves a great ink, and Noodler's fountain pen inks are the ultimate sidekicks. Budget-friendly, bursting with color options, and even a few tricks up their sleeve, like this one. Behold the Blue Ghost! Invisible in daylight, it becomes readable under UV light, perfect for clandestine notes or adding a hidden layer to your artwork. You can even mix it with other inks for a custom fluorescent option.